Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Azure SQL Database in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to establish that connection so you can start visualizing your data effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas where you'll bring your data to life, so make sure you have it ready. Once Power BI is open, look at the Home ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get Data. Click on that. This is where the magic begins, as it allows you to pull in data from various sources. Now a search box will appear. In this box, type Azure SQL. This is the specific data source we're looking for. Think of it like searching for a book in a library. After typing that, you should see an option labeled Azure SQL Database. Click on it, and then click the Connect button. This is akin to opening the book you just found. You're getting ready to explore the information inside. Next, a pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll need to input your server information. This is where you tell Power BI where to find your Azure SQL database. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. You'll also need to choose your data connectivity mode. This is crucial, as it determines how Power BI interacts with your data. If you're unsure, you can check the advanced options to fill in any additional details necessary for the connection. Think of this as adding extra context to your search. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click OK to establish the connection. If everything is set up correctly, you'll be able to see your database tables and start pulling in the data you need for your reports. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Azure SQL Database in Power BI. This connection opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and visualization. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.